what's the strength of a marriage? And someone was like, a great sex life, great communication, blah, 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 blah. They're going through all the lists. And he said, wrong, wrong, wrong. What makes a great marriage is the ability to repair. If you can forgive each other deeply, if you can look into someone's eyes and say, I'm not going to count that sin against you. Well, it'll change you. And then, that same change certainly is going to affect your sex life, but that sex life is also going to affect how much you can forgive and how much you can repent. Like there's such an importance of it. But I agree. I was sold a bill of goods. I was lied for a long time.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.